In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom buttons and icons using Google Slides. This simple process will allow you to add a personal touch to your presentations or projects and can be done in just a few minutes. First things first, go ahead and navigate to Google Slides in your internet browser. Once you're there, you'll want to sign into your Google account, so have your login credentials ready. Having an active Google account is essential since it gives you access to a variety of useful tools and features. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to either start a blank presentation or select a template that suits your needs. For the purpose of creating custom buttons and icons, a blank presentation often provides the cleanest slate to work with, but feel free to choose a template if you want to integrate your new designs into an existing layout. With your presentation open, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click on the Insert option in the menu bar. This is where you can access the shapes you'll use to create your custom buttons and icons. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Shape. You'll find a variety of shape options, from simple rectangles and circles to more complex shapes, depending on what best suits the design you have in mind. Now that you've selected a shape, it's time to add some text to further customize your button or icon. Simply click inside the shape and start typing. You can adjust the font style, size, and color in the toolbar to match your design preferences, ensuring your text is both readable and visually appealing. Experiment with different fonts and colors to see what works best for your intended use. To add even more functionality to your buttons and icons, consider adding a link. This step is particularly useful if you're creating interactive presentations or want to direct the viewer to additional resources. To do this, click on the text box or shape, then navigate to the top of the screen again, click on Insert and select Link. A dialog box will appear where you can paste the desired URL. Once you apply the link, your button or icon will become clickable, making it more dynamic and engaging. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created custom buttons and icons in Google Slides, adding a unique flair to your presentations or digital projects. Remember, this process is highly customizable, so feel free to experiment with shapes, colors, and text to achieve the look and functionality you desire. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you enhance your design skills using Google Slides.